Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to show you HitFilm Express performance improvement tip number 1. So I have about a 2 hours 19 minutes video, which is about 43.7 gigabytes. Now if I drag the video in my editor timeline, right? And as you can see there, and I could see my entire video from here. Now I want to work with this, like I want to cut and do stuff. As you can see, I can see the thumbnails. Now if I try to move it, it's not super responsive. So to fix this issue, see this small arrow here, click on this, go to preview mode and set it to none. So this will disable showing the thumbnails and the visualization of the audio. Now if I drag this is going to be a lot faster, especially if you have a decent computer. So right now I can, like, if I drag this and move, look, I'm moving left to right very fast. It's very fast and responsive. As I move things around, there's no waiting. As you can see, the reason is because there's no thumbnails and the visualization of the audio. If you have found this video useful, please smack the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.